Get ready for a game changer in the world of AI data centers. Nokia and Supermicro are teaming up to revolutionize cloud computing. These tech giants are merging their expertise to prepare data center networks for the intense demands of AI. By integrating Supermicro's lightning-fast 800G Ethernet switches with Nokia's innovative service router Linux and automation tools, they're creating a powerful solution. The result? A pre-validated, ready-to-use system that slashes implementation time and operational costs while boosting overall efficiency. Nokia's event-driven automation ensures lightning-fast response times and reduces manual labor, keeping costs low. But here's where it gets controversial. Nokia sees this partnership as a gateway to the enterprise market, leveraging Supermicro's sales channels. Vach Compella, Senior Vice President at Nokia's IP Networks division, boldly states that this collaboration will prove Nokia's software solutions are the foundation for modern data centers and IP networks. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the need for data centers to become AI factories. This transformation places unprecedented demands on network speed, space, and scalability. With energy-hungry GPUs for AI workloads, we're talking about high wattages per server rack that were previously unimaginable. And this is where Nokia and Supermicro step in. By placing networking at the heart of data center architecture, they aim to tackle these challenges head-on. The combination of Supermicro's 800G Ethernet switching platforms with Nokia's service router Linux network operating system and event-driven automation creates a proactive solution that enhances reliability and manages networks at scale. Senli Chen, Chief Growth Officer at Supermicro, emphasizes the benefits of this collaboration. This gives customers more choice and flexibility with the assurance that Nokia's SR Linux and EDA are fully integrated with our systems. For Supermicro, which has faced its fair share of challenges despite the market's enthusiasm for AI, this partnership is a welcome development. Nokia has a history of strategic partnerships to drive its AI plans. For instance, they're working with AMD, Cisco, and Jio to establish the Open Telecom AI platform, creating a central intelligence layer for telecom services. This platform integrates RAN, routing, AI data centers, and security, leveraging AI throughout the entire chain. So what do you think? Is this collaboration a game changer for the industry? Or is it just another step in the evolution of AI-powered data centers? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.